Okay, the final thing that you need to do on Monday when you have the sub is you need to do your gross muscle presentation, or at least prepare it. Each one of you has been assigned a muscle. I've saved a Word document to the Google Classroom. Hopefully you're already there watching this video. Your name should be on there. There should be a muscle listed next to it. All right. You need to do some basic research on that muscle. Number one, you need to be able to pronounce it. Number two, you need to be able to tell me the meaning of the actual muscle. So for instance, if I did the trapezius muscle, I would say the meaning of the trapezius is it's named after the trapezoid, okay, due to its shape. You need to be able to list the origin and the insertion. So the origin of the trapezius is the occipital bone and the spinous processes of the thoracic vertebra. The insertion is the acromion end of the clavicle and scapular spine. Then you need to be able to tell us the primary actions of that muscle. The trapezius elevates, adducts, depresses, and rotates the scapula, all right, and elevates the clavicle. It helps extend and hyperextend the neck, okay? And then you need to be able to demonstrate, an exercise or one of those actions. In addition, you'll need to go to the skeleton, which is over there. Notice how it has red and blue on it, all right? Red, I'm pretty sure, is origin, and blue is insertion. All right. What you'll need to do is you need to identify the origin and insertions on the actual skeleton. So if I come over here, I just said the trapezius muscle. All right. And I think I said it attaches to the, let's see. Here we go. See how it says trapezius right here. All right. So I know that the trapezius muscle is going to attach to this part of the actual skull. All right. And then it's going to rotate down. And you can see here in blue, it says trapezius right here. Okay, and so I know that it's going to attach right here to that, to the spine of the scapula. So you need to be able to do that with your muscle. You need to be able to go over to the skeleton and specifically point things out. Then there's a little coloring guide. So as people present, you will have everybody color a particular slide that shows where your muscle actually is. You need to do this on a Google slide presentation and then share it with me when you're done. So I would say one slide for the name of the muscle and its meaning. I'd have one slide for the origin and insertion, and then one slide for the primary actions. All right. You would need to go to the skeleton again and show us the origin and insertion. And again, you would need to show us a demo of the actual action, okay, or an exercise that could be used, or a stretch or something like that related to the skull. There's a grading rubric on my webpage linked. All right. So you have an idea of what I'm actually looking for. Super easy. The presentation should only last like a minute or two max. So you don't have to spend too much time. Use the anatomy book to do the research. Thank you.